Okay, so this next method should be interesting. It is called concat, and for what it is used. So here I have my two different arrays, like boys and girls, and the concat method will bring those together. So basically we could use one array and use concat on it, and a pass inside the second array, and those two will be bind into one array together. So for example, if as we have here boys and girls, we could create the users array. So down there I will type const of users to be equal to boys, and we will concat to boys, and we will pass girls inside. And if we log users, and we refresh the page, you can see that now we have one array with 6 people inside, basically, as we concat those together.